So we have a question from Reddit. How to get the monthly formatting for data in pivot charts to be the same as in a regular worksheet. So in our regular worksheet, we can choose by month, by year, right? But when we do a pivot chart, right, it only gives us everything by date. So I think there's a workaround for this, but the end results will not be the same as the regular worksheet. So what we do is we just highlight the whole table, right? Then you go insert, then you go pivot chart. No, you go pivot chart and pivot table, right? Then you will have a chart, pivot chart, and you will have a pivot table. So just drag your date and your amount, right? And then in the table, right, you just select any cell, right? Then you can do a grouping. So you can do a grouping by days, by month, by years, right? Then you can select a date range. Excel will automatically select a date range for you based on your row labels. So what you do is click on OK, right? So if you are happy with this format, right, you can stick with this format. But if you are not, right, you can do a you can make the pivot table option as classic. So you go display, right, then you click on classic pivot table layout, right. Then from here, right, you can choose, right, your months, right. Hopefully this can help you. So this is not exactly the filter that you see in a normal Excel, but you can play around with this, right. So you can select you can select maybe March. What are the other dates? What do you have? Okay, you can select October, right? Or you can select by the actually you can select just 2 months together. Yeah, hope this will help you. Actually you can also select the months from here, right, in your pivot chart. So it's February, let's say October. Yeah, or if you want, you can also drag the months to filters, right? And then you can select the month from here. Yep, hope this can help you. Please subscribe if you think this answer your question. Thank you so much.